Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to borrow on Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this More tab. So you simply need to tap on More and then you will be landed on this Services page. Now over here in the top tab, you will have to tap on Earn, and here in the finance you are going to see the option of crypto loans in the bottom. So you will have to tap on crypto loans and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here you first have to select I want to borrow. So you will have to first select your account. As you can see over here that it is selected as unidentified trading account, but if I want to change it to funding account, so you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that you will have to select the funding account and then confirm. Then you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to borrow. If you want to borrow any other cryptocurrency, then you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that you can choose any of the currencies that you want to borrow. For this video I have selected USDT. Afterwards it will show you the collateral amount. So if you want to change the collateral amount, your account as well as the currency, then you can also do this by clicking on this drop arrow button. After that it will show you the loan terms. So you will be able to see the flexible and 7 days and 14 days period and so on. So according to them they are recommending you for the flexible, so you just have to select the flexible, and after that you will have to agree to this terms and condition and you will have to tap on start borrowing. After that you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully borrow on Bybit. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.